Click on the card button for more videos. India misleads the world about Pakistan in the movie Happy Bhag Jayegi. It proves by their movies that how much Indians hate Pakistanis. They told totally false things in this movie that are not existed in actual. They claim in movie that Pakistan imports salt from India. However, the fact is that Pakistan has the world's second largest salt mine and exports salt to India. Watch how India misleads the world. How badly they insult Pakistan by showing wrong things in this Indian movie. They presents a Pakistani policeman in this movie who denies to go India. See what he gets reply by a Pakistani boy in this scene.
का दौर में है क्या कि हम नहीं जाएंगे
जाएंगे तो जरूर।
आप समझ नहीं रहे हैं जनाब। हम किसी भी हालत में इंडिया का नमक खाना नहीं जानते प्लीज।
अजीब धोचू हो यार अफरीदी। क्यों? इंडिया का नमक तो मैं, आप और तकरीबन सारा पाकिस्तान बरसों से खाते आ रहा है। नमक हम इंडिया से इम्पोर्ट करते हैं। अब बोलो।
Pakistan pink rock salt is known as pink Himalayan salt in the world, the purest one in the world. Pakistan exports salt to the world, including India. India has no any salt mine. It produces salt from sea. Sea salt is not pure as rock salt. Now, decision is yours that who is in actual rich, Pakistan or India. Let's have a look on Pakistan's largest Kheora mine now. Now come inside the Kheora mine. A guide is telling about white and pink salt in mine. He also told that all the things of mine are made by salt.
Thanks for watching. Click on subscribe for more videos and don't forget to switch on bell icon button.